Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. This is Carmen Julia and today we're gonna be making gazpacho.
Roughly chop the vegetables. Put aside a portion for the toppings. Tomatoes, green, and red pepper, and the cucumbers. Rub the cut ends to take out the bitterness. Make sure the seeds and the inside of the vegetables goes into the blender as well. Don't forget onion. Put the chopped vegetables, egg yolk, and the bread into the blender. The yolk and the bread will give it a nice creamy body. Blend it with salt. And then add the virgin olive oil, the sherry vinegar, and the water until it's smooth. Let it rest in the refrigerator until it's cold. I like to enjoy it with toppings. It not only adds a crunchy texture to it, but it actually tastes great.
And here it is, our gazpacho. Perfect to fight this summer heat. Tomatoes also help to lower your body temperature, and since you don't have to heat it up, you can easily take it on the go. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and comment below. I see you next week. Bye!